Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Mini TENS Machine 2 channel. Switch on the machine. Attach wire and pads channel 1, channel 2. Set the frequency as per your requirement from 10 to 150. Place the pads on the affected area. Increase the intensity as per your requirement. Channel 1. Increase the intensity. Channel 2. Once the treatment is completed, make the knobs of channel to 0. Switch off the machine. You can also purchase this machine from MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below.